Hello guys, welcome to Mercedes-Benz King. Usually you sit in the back of a Maybach S-Class, but this is the Maybach S650 Brabus 900. That means it has 900 horsepower and over 1500 Nm of torque. In this video we will take it for a drive on the road and we will enjoy the sound. Let's start with the exterior. And here you can notice that it is very aggressive. Usually the Maybach has a lot of chrome parts, but this Brabus is all blacked out and it looks very aggressive. I love this front grille with the vertical lines blacked out but with a chrome stripe next to it. And the lower part of the front bumpers are very pronounced, very Brabus-like. It also says the lettering here on the side. And these are the S-Class lights with 3 stripes characterizing the S-Class multi-beam LED technology. This rather large Maybach emblem on the top of the hood of this 900 horsepower V12. The total length is around 5 meters and 45 centimeters. A lot of chrome parts characterizing the Maybach, and on the side it has the V12 900 emblem. And moving over you can notice this blacked out VIP glass, and on the C-pillar the Maybach emblem. And I love these Brabus rims, they are very thick. It is the Platinum Edition monoblock Y 21-inch forged rims, amazing multi-spoke design. So let's have a look at the rear, and here's where you really notice the Brabus style. It already says it here in the center with the emblem Brabus, and it also says the lettering here on the left side. It is based on the S650 Maybach, and that's why it is called the Brabus 900 for 900 horsepower in this Maybach. It has these special Brabus exhaust tips with a chrome plate. And I love this rear diffuser. It also has the characteristic Brabus LED lights. So if you drive in the night, it is really noticeable. So before we listen to this amazing sound and before we take it for a drive, let's have a look at the VIP interior. I will just open the door and you can see it is massive. And it also stops at any given point with a magnet. Let's have a look. Soft closing doors, of course, and you can already see the table is out. And this really looks like a business interior. You have your small keyboard. That's why it has the special edition option for the multimedia system. And here we can see the lovely leather stitched Brabus edition. So more storage space, and of course an additional table for your passenger, also with the chrome glossy materials. And just behind me there's a fridge for your water bottles or champagne. It also has an additional tablet. So much electronic devices in the interior. So some cup holders, you can heat or cool your drinks. A lovely Magic Sky ceiling, and this one can be turned into a more transparent color so that you can let the light in, or blue. It also has the Burmester surround sound system, high end. Actually the whole interior is of carbon fiber and high-end quality leather stitching. Even the floor mats are leather stitched. So let's put it back and we'll take this car for a drive. So we will take a left turn right here. And thanks Germany for providing us roads without speed limits. That's really necessary for this 900 horsepower S-Class Maybach. I will put it into sport mode. Let's listen. Insane. It's amazing that at the same time you feel that it's so comfortable. With over 1500 Newton meters of torque. The turbo sound. It has amazing metal gear selectors, so you can downshift. Almost 60, 190, 220. And now I realize that even on the gauges it says 400 kilometers an hour. The top speed is over 350 kilometers an hour. Amazing scenery. We are heading to the castle. Cool. So standard, the S650 Maybach already has 630 horsepower with 1000 Newton meters of torque. Brabus modified the engine. It costs around 90,000 euros. Now it has 900 horsepower and over 1500 Newton meters of torque. So let's do a 0 to speed. Let's go. So it really catches up in higher RPM. And I have to mention again, in combination with the S-Class comfort level, it is really a surprise. It's a nice castle in the end, at the top of the mountain. And it is really nice to see the Maybach emblem on the front of the hood. It really reminds you of this king on the road. So guys, thanks for watching Mercedes-Benz King. I hope you liked this video with the Brabus 900 Beast, and I will see you guys next time.